Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at this particular question. The question is square root of mx minus 3 which is equal to x plus 3 and the value of m is also given, that is negative 3. So we have to figure out the value of x. Let's see how we can solve this particular value. The options are given to us and the options are this four. So what we can do, we have square root of negative 3x minus 5 which is equal to x plus 3. Approach number 1. We can just use the options and just we can apply the value in this particular question. So let's suppose if I'm putting x is equal to 3. But I'm not putting negative 3. See, it is very obvious if x equal to 3 is not my answer. So this entire is not my answer. And if x equal to 3 is not the answer, so this is also not my answer. So I can eliminate two options or I can select two answers directly. So that's why I'm putting x equal to 3. Option elimination technique, always look at the option, then only try to put the that options, right? So if I put x equal to 3, I will get minus 3, 3 minus 5. That should be equal to 3 plus 3. Now this will become minus 9 minus 5. I know that square root can never be the negative value. Otherwise, it will become an imaginary number. So I can eliminate this option directly. That means x equal to 3 is not possible for this particular equation. So I can eliminate option A, and similarly, I can eliminate option number D. Very basic, right? Now, what I can do, I can just put x equal to negative 7. Why I'm not putting negative 2? Because if negative 2 is my answer, so I have to cross check B and C. But if I'm putting x equal to negative 3, if this is my answer, so directly option C will be correct. Otherwise, option number B will be correct. If I put x equal to negative 7, it will become as negative 3 because m is negative 3 already it is given. Negative 7 minus 5, that is equal to negative 7 plus 3. Now, I don't have to even solve this particular part because if I try to see that this is negative 4 and I know that the square root can never be the negative. Whatever the answer will be come from here, that will be the positive value. So again, option number C is also eliminate. Option D eliminate, option C eliminate, option A eliminate. We left with option number B, that is x equal to negative 3, and that is the final answer. Look at this. This is the first method or first approach how to see this question and how to basically proceed in this type of question. Fine. But if anybody want to know the conventional method or any alternative method, how to solve this, so we have one more method. What we can do square both the side. If we do square both the side, it will become mx minus 5. This is x plus 3 whole square. Then it will become x square. Then it will become 9. Then it will become plus 6x. And m value we know that is negative 3x, negative 5. Become a quadratic equation. We will solve the quadratic equation and we will get the value. Suppose we get two values. Let's suppose a comma b. Although after solving you will get negative 2 and negative 7. You can just cross check it. But suppose if we are getting the value a and b, so what you have to do, you have to put the value in this original equation again and verify whether if I'm putting this value, so this gives the right value or not. So what does it mean? It means suppose I'm getting negative 2 and negative 7. So what I have to do is I have to again put the values in this particular original condition. I can't directly say that negative 2 and negative 7 is my answer. If the question is in square root, I cannot directly say the answer. I cannot directly say that this will be my answer. I have to firstly find the value, then I have to re-put again in my question. Fine. So if I try to put negative 7, so I already seen that will not be equal. And if I put negative 2, so you can just cross check negative 3, negative 2, minus 5, minus 2, plus 3. So this will become positive 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5, that will be square root of 1. And 2 minus 3, that will be 1. Square root of 1, that will be 1 only. So 1 equal to 1. So yes, option number B again is correct. Okay. So there is basically two methods. The first method is option putting method, where we have to just put the options in the equation and we will get the answer. The second method is we can do square both the side, find the value of x and again put the value in the original equation and verify that which particular value of x satisfy the condition. So this, by both the approaches, we are getting the same answer, option number B, that is equal to negative 2. So this is all about in this video. I hope you understand. Thank you.